Well, good morning. Well, barely. Almost lunchtime. It's 11:30 a.m. on Saturday, August 24th, 2024. It's been a year since I started this. I'm Williams, Philippines. And yeah, morning. I just had to fix yesterday's video because I put it out as 24th of August 24. Yeah, I goofed. So I had to go fix that one. Just did that, and I'm getting here and trying to get the actual 24th one up. Okay, and somebody said I don't smile enough. Accused me of being depressed. Well, no, I'm not depressed. I'm just not bright and bubbly. Yeah. And well, I just got my dentures. So for the last pretty much 8 or 10 years, I haven't had teeth. Yeah, I got a smile that jack-o'-lanterns are, jealous of. So I didn't smile a lot. But I am trying to learn to smile more, so even when the teeth ain't there, hey, sorry if it scared you. Anyway, no, I'm not depressed. Like I said, I'm just not a bright, bubbly person. And for me, getting here and doing this is kind of wearing. So I might seem a little tired when doing this. So yeah, but it is what it is. And yeah, just trying to build on a life. Some days I feel like I'm in the, I'm in a basket and I'm on the highway to hell. The nightmare is I did a U-turn and I'm trying to go back to the other direction and I'm heading into all that traffic. Some days it just seems like that. But hey, could be worse. I'm still alive, I'm still kicking. And I'm thankful that it isn't worse. Most folks don't understand that part of it. But yeah, be thankful it wasn't worse. And on the days that they're shooting at you, remember, be thankful that they are missing. Be thankful. Could have been worse. Anyway. Yeah. Yes, I had, I think it was 259 videos for this last year, my first year. I want to try to shoot for having, I really want to make sure I have at least 350. That gives me one miss a month, plus a couple. But yeah, I'll try to, get this out and eventually get over there and start actually trying to put out more videos of things that are more bright, cheerful, and positive. All I know is that at this point, right this minute, I'm tired, I've been up all night, and I'm ready to call it a day. And trying to get things done, well, it's me, myself, and I, and the three of us can never agree what's going to be number one on the project to-do list. So basically, I'm fighting myself most days. But hey, life goes on. Even on the days that it seems like it's beating you down. Yeah. It could have been worse. So I'm thankful it wasn't. But like I said earlier, I'm not a bright and cheerful, bubbly. I'm an old man. Hell, we're supposed to be crotchety, cranky, and contrary just because, well, we've survived to being old men. Just saying. Okay, so yes, I am trying to remember to smile more. Because, yeah, I do need to smile more, and I admit that. But, yeah. And they say smiles are less energy to do than it is to frown. I don't know how, but okay. Maybe? But, yeah, I was going to try to go to the farmer's market, and I just came home and tried to cook some things and get some dishes done. Because, well, I didn't do a lot of dishes on my weekend, so some of them got backed up. I'm caught up. Because, hey, dishes, the fun part of your day. Yeah, okay. But yes, yeah, I pulled my teeth out so I could eat without having to deal with the teeth. They're good when I'm out and about, but I come home and I don't really feel like having to wear them anymore, so I done pulled them out, throw them in there with the Pepsodent or whatever the DentaClean stuff is. I forget what they call it. Pepsodent. The denture cleaning tablets. So, yeah, they're in there doing that. I ate. Didn't mess them up more. Had me a couple of hamburgers and some chips. Probably shouldn't have. Too much carbs. But hey. No. Corn chips. Yeah. I enjoy them, though. That's my problem. I enjoy food too much. And I really need to, cut back on it in a lot of ways and be more active. So, yeah. I am doing more exercises, still trying to keep up with the ones for the neck, Try to keep the shoulders back and the chest out and do those exercises so that my neck gets better. And yes, therapy did help on that. So I'm trying to keep that going a little bit. Okay, a little more than a little bit. And I'm trying to get more exercise. Exercise. Isn't that kind of like a diet? A die with a T at the end? Yeah, something. Anyway. It is what it is. Well, I hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend and that you got to have some enjoyable food, quite tasty and filling, and plenty of it. Weekends are good. You need them. Even on weekends where you decide not to do dishes and you have to catch up on your weekday. Even if your Monday is Friday night, Saturday morning, guess what? Time, that group concept of which I was not a member of the group that conceived it, so why am I bound by somebody else's idea of what time is? Hey, it's my Monday, 'cause I want it to be. You're having a weekend. Well, most of you. Some of you might be in my ballpark and have your days off in the middle of the week. Because then again, time, a group concept. I wasn't a member, not bound by. Because like I said, they can't even figure out how long a day is. They keep adding a piece and taking away a piece and adding another piece. And yeah. Scientists, you're starting to make blondes look bright. I know this. I don't know how well you can see it, but yeah, my platinum blonde is coming back in. Just giving you scientists a fair warning. You're starting to make blondes look bright. And for you blondes, work it. You own it. Be it, make it better. Maybe it's a California thing. Probably is California. I don't know. Anyway. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, enjoys their weekend, has a lot of good food to put down. I'm tired. I still need to, because there's always something to clean. Yeah, dishes, armpits, laundry. There's always something. But hey, it could have been worse. I hope y'all have a blessed day. And I'll catch you tomorrow. And, well, thank you for surviving the first year with me. Hope you come along for the second one. And hopefully by this time next year I'm sitting in the Philippines. Hopefully by this time I'm recovering from getting my eyes worked on. Yeah, that would be a good thing. Anyway, I'm William, Williams Philippines. Later blessings, bye-bye. I'm Fish, and hey, fish out.